Get ready, tech enthusiasts, because the whispers are getting louder. 2026 might be the year Apple finally unveils its much-anticipated foldable device. Yes, you heard that right, a foldable device with that iconic Apple logo. The tech giant has been characteristically tight-lipped about the details, but the rumor mill is churning, and leaks suggest something big is brewing in Cupertino. For years, Apple has watched from the sidelines as other manufacturers dipped their toes into the world of foldable smartphones. Samsung, Huawei, and others have all released their takes on this innovative form factor, but Apple, as always, seems to be taking its time. They're waiting for the perfect moment to disrupt the market. What will this new device be? An iPhone that folds out into a larger display? A hybrid iPad that combines the best of both worlds? The possibilities are intriguing, and the tech community is buzzing with speculation. The million-dollar question on everyone's mind is simple. What exactly will Apple's foldable be? Will it be a foldable iPhone, finally catching up to the competition? Or will they focus on a foldable iPad, pushing the boundaries of tablet productivity? Some rumors even suggest a hybrid device, blurring the lines between phone and tablet in a way only Apple can. Imagine an iPhone that unfolds to reveal a screen twice the size, perfect for multitasking and immersive media consumption. Picture an iPad mini that folds down to the size of a phone, offering unparalleled portability without sacrificing screen real estate. The possibilities are tantalizing, and knowing Apple, they might have a few surprises up their sleeve. Perhaps a completely new product category? A device that defies categorization and redefines what a foldable can be? Only time will tell. One of the most persistent rumors is that Apple's foldable will adopt a notebook design. Imagine a sleek, thin device that folds open like a book to reveal a large, continuous display. This design could be a game-changer for both productivity and entertainment. Imagine working on a spreadsheet that spans the entire display, with plenty of room for formulas and charts. Or editing a video on a professional-grade timeline with all your tools and effects at your fingertips. And when it's time to relax, unfold your device and immerse yourself in a movie or game on a stunning, expansive screen. This notebook-style design could be the perfect blend of portability and functionality. It could be the device that finally bridges the gap between smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Apple is known for its meticulous attention to detail and its relentless pursuit of quality. So it's no surprise that they're taking their time with this foldable device. Rumors suggest that Apple is laser-focused on perfecting the hinge mechanism, ensuring durability, and optimizing the software experience. Foldable devices are still relatively new, and there have been some well-documented growing pains. Early models from other manufacturers have suffered from issues with screen durability, hinge fragility, and software glitches. Apple is determined to avoid these pitfalls and deliver a product that is both innovative and reliable. The wait may be agonizing for eager consumers, but it's a testament to Apple's commitment to quality. They're not going to release a product until it meets their exacting standards. And when they finally do, it just might be the foldable device we've all been waiting for.